One of the questions Ron asked was, a ball is thrown up in the air, its height h in feet after t seconds is given by a function h of t equals -16 t squared plus 24t plus 6. When does the ball reach maximum height? This is a calculus question. Whenever you have to find a maximum or a minimum, you have to take the derivative of this function. So you take the derivative, then you get -32t plus 24 equals 0. Equals 0 because you're looking for a max or a min. Solve this problem. Your t equals 24 over 32, or 3/4. Simple. You want to change 60 miles per hour into feet per minute. So you multiply this by hours over 60 minutes because there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now you have the minutes. You want this miles to be in feet. How many feet are there in a mile? In 1 mile, there is 5,280 feet. This you have to memorize. So 5,280 feet in 1 mile. You cancel out the miles. You cancel out the hours. You have your feet over minutes. You just solve this problem. 60s cancel each other out. You have 5,280 feet per minute. That is your answer to number 3. Alright, a delivery company says they have 4 drivers for every 30 square miles. How many drivers do they need for 75 miles? This is a proportion question. So you have 30 square miles and 4 drivers in each of them. How many do you need for 75 square miles? You do cross multiply. You multiply this by that by this. So you get 30 times unknown equals 75 times 4. 30 times unknown equals 300. Divide both sides by 30. Your unknown is 10. You need 10 drivers. A map has a scale which says for every centimeter is actually 20 kilometers. In the map, there's 2 cities that's 2.5% apart. What does that mean? How far are they really? So if they're 2.5 centimeters apart, how many kilometers? Again, this is a proportion problem, just like the last problem. 20 kilometers over 1 centimeter equals unknown kilometer, 2.5 centimeters. Cross multiply, you get 20 times 2.5, which is 50, equals unknown times 1 is the same as unknown, 50 kilometers.